root a root 72 plus root 54. What is the value of this? First we can write this, we can write root 8 is equal to, we can write 8 is equal to, we can write root 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 72 we can write this is the 6 into 6 into 2 and this 54 we can write this is the 9 into 2 into 3, so we can write there, and so there is the 2, so we can write there is the 1 2 root 2, and this is the 6, so 6, this is the root 2, and this is the 9, so we can write 3, and this is the, so there is the 2 into 3, and now we can, there is the 2 root 2, and we take the 3 and root 2, so take the common 3 root 2, so there is the 3 root 2 common, so there is the 2, and this is plus, and 3 root 2 common, there is the root 3. So from here you can write again, the cut this and this, there is the 2 and there is the 3, and there is the 2 plus root 3, and now we multiply numerator, this is both of sides, so conjugate of this, so this conjugate is minus root 3, and so multiply here the minus root 3, this is cut, I cut, this is 1, so totally, because this we can make this, because the a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b, for this we made this, and now there is the multiply this, so there multiply 4, and this is 2 root 3, and there is multiply this, this is the formula of, so 3, and there is the 2 square is 4, and minus this is 3 root 3 square is 3, so now here we can write this term again, this 2 root 3, so we can follow this formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, this is the a minus b whole square formula, so there is the 2 is this, and so this is 2, and 3 we can write the root 3, and b is 1, so this is a, you take the root 3 square, and this is the b is 1 square, so make this formula this from this here, so first we 3 4 we can write the root 3 square is 3 and plus 1 square, and this is the 2, this is the root 3, and this is the 1, so make this formula, and 4 minus 3 is 1 into 3, so 3, and now this formula, so this is the a minus b whole square formula, so we can write this, the root 3 is minus 1 square, and this is the root this, and there this is 3 root 3, so now here this is root 3 minus 1, this is square, and this is the root, so half, and there is the root 3, so this is cut and cut, so value is root 3 minus 1, and by root 3. So this is the value. So this value is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.